Somntwana Ndumelani Mshini, hi, welcome to Tumisiti esizabheka ngafuni ukuthi uliphuze ujahile kodwa uliphuze uhleli phansi ngoba mawuhamba uzosha. Let's get into the video. Zishubile go the battle after Beckensberg, the battles of Toli's women. Ngiyazi ukuthi uyazibuza ukuthi manje ubani uToli? uToli is a Nigerian footballer. He also plays for the Premier League. Igama lakhe Toli Walashe Arokodare. I hope I said that right. Well, you're probably wondering ukuthi ubani? Well, uToli simazi ngobani masingamazi ngosisi wethu omuhle womXhosa uMihlali Ndamase. She's the one that introduced us to this guy because some of us, we did not know who is uToli, but uMihlali with him obviously know ukuthi uMihlali is a trend-worthy gold, news-worthy, clickbait-worthy, viral-worthy, anything that comes with that woman, just know it's about to go viral because that girl has us talking every year, January to December. December probably wondering okay, fine, uMihlali is associated with this guy Toli Walashe, then what's going on? Why are you telling us about Mihlali? I mean, what's new? I mean, people date every day, then what's new about this one? The reason why we are talking about her because Pam released a statement and we're wondering who is Pam now? I think she's also a content creator. I don't know. She stays in Monaco. We're wondering what's Pam. Well, Pam is Toli's ex-girlfriend and she stays in Monaco. But manje ugcinisa kasithola abandakanya phakathi kwele indaba ungena Beckensberg and then sina we are like, what is a Beckensberg? Mangithi ithoyile bag lena efana ninje yaseshimbe ngifuna ngithi why ngizincedile ngangayitholi kanti kuyoba yiduphu yale Beckin yakho. But anyway, that bag is stunning, it's classy, it's giving, so cool. So Pam released a statement because she was like, no, this thing is getting weird, this thing is getting under control, like khona umuntu okutrenda ngami and wakhuluma silo muntu lo usejwayele nje to be with no one with multiple men. And you're like, multiple men, who are you talking about? And people are like, 1 + 1 is 2, but nje uMihlali multiple men ufaka uMihlali. Is this statement true? Yes, Mihlali has dated, but not multiple men, as if like, just that it doesn't work out in relationship for her because she's high maintenance. And also, there's always a drama among Mihlali. Mihlali can steal anything, any man that has chankura, because you can see the girl. No, the reason why Usisi Ekuluma is because Mihlali umshaye ngestina. Washaya uPam ngestina, wathi boom, stina, munna. And this feels like manifestation according to what she's saying. Yazini uMihlali uyazi ukuthi mina ngizwana noToli Walashe, but uMihlali came to Dubai. Ngiyafika eDubai washuda nendoda yami bashaya ngathi manje bona bayajola kwaba ngathi manje my man bought the Beckensberg. But unfortunately, according to Sisiza, Mihlali was not dating uToli at the time when it trended last year, if I'm not mistaken. And also, the Beckensberg was not bought by uToli Walashe. And another thing, they were not even dating. You get? Sounds confusing. I was confused when I was listening to this. I was like, what? But I'm like, okay. So Mihlali was not dating Toli. But that girl should have been careful that moment ebona uMihlali elo poster nendoda yakhe ukuthi yazini one day I'm gonna wake up and my man is gonna be gone. Because look at Mihlali. Sometimes you want the power of manifestation. Because if she's saying they were not dating, blah blah blah, if today they are dating, so look at the power of manifestation. So Mihlali wasithathela into abona ngathi uyayideserve. She saw Toli and she was like, the boy is mine. And the girl feels like uMihlali is using her name for clickbait, to trend. And I remember there was a point where one blogger said, one thing about Mihlali, if you don't notice, is that whenever she goes silent, she will do something just to trend. But do I think she was trying to trend here? Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so. Yes, she does trend, but I don't think she does it intentional because as in, I'm gonna do this. It's just that because she is in the public eye, and Mihlali is no longer a content creator. Mihlali is almost like a celebrity. She's a celebrity, obviously. So whatever Mihlali does, Mihlali ngasuza manje, it's going to trend. You're making my headlines. Oh, this girl is so she's not a lady, she's this, she's that. Because that's Mihlali for you. And she doesn't do it, oh, ngifuna ukusuza so that it's just her pains. She's just human and she's living a life. But ngoba thina nje sikhona nathi we are doing our job, obviously. Wathi bathi Mihlali, hey, itrenda izifika nase-America for sure. And according to Pam, she said, Wuti, whenever that whole situation happened last year, Utoli indoda yakhe had to post on his IG, if I'm not mistaken, ukuthi yazini angizwani noMihlali futhi azange ngimthengele nale bag le akhuluma ngayo. Imagine bephika umuntu ofana noMihlali. Was this man crazy? Was this man doing what? Like, I mean, mina bengeke ngimphephe imtshela ngithi baby awumi kancane. Awumi kancane, I'm not gonna do that. Imagine sengiphiwe intombazane enhle kangaka. Hayibo, someone's dream. Hayi, someone's crush. Hayibo. Oh, there are men out there that are waiting to get a million so that they can date Mihlali. And when you are out here saying, oh, I'm not dating the girl, hey, I did not buy that back in back, kusho uphem mlonjwana. She's like, my man. She posted and said, no, I'm not dating the girl. I don't know the girl. I didn't even buy her a back in back. And they felt like, and she said Mihlali would fake these Lazarus things just for content, allegedly. Imagine. Because when we see Mihlali, we know ukuthi Mihlali umuntu wama luxury, umuntu wama high standards, high profiles, high maintenance, the vibes, that's who Mihlali is. She rolls with the big guys. She rolls with the sharks. So obviously, even if angangena lapha eSmall Street ovela wathatha ibheg wathi I bought this at a Louis, ubani uzomphikisa? Because it's Mihlali, guys. Come on. She's proven to us again and again with Yazini, this is the life that I'm living, because obviously she vlogs and we can see, although people be like, no, vlogging is not their real life, blah, blah, blah. Yay! See, now we believe what we see. No, it's not, it doesn't look like that, hey, but it is no more now. So rather believe. And according to Pamela Mlonjwana, when that whole thing happened, she said, I hope she buys a back and bag, because the last time she pretended to be buying a back and bag, whereas she was not buying the back and bag. And ayipheleli lapho. She spoke about Mihlali's ex. Mina angazi ngibone people associating to Leroy Tidambe. Okay, allegedly Leroy Tidambe DM the girl. And it seems like ubefuna girl. And the girl was like, oh, even your man was DMing me, but unfortunately, he didn't have the real back and back, because you make it seem like you roll with the baddies, and unfortunately, you don't. The only person that rolls with the baddies is me, Kusho Pamela Mlonjwana. And she said that she even showed her man ukuthi bheka nje umuntu wakhe uzwe uyangidm ngoba ufuna ukuspayisa ubani uMihlali. So have the girl fallen for it, shukuthi bekuba umathathelana kahle kahle. I snatch your man, you snatch my man. Simple, fair game, 50-50. Akekho luzayo, akekho winayo, siyaningana. But unfortunately, Upem was like, nah, not interested. Because obviously, she's rolling with the big sharks or the big boys. And she said with a caption, Yaga Mihlali megashuta nendoda yakhe must be stolen men. Usho ukuthi ngamtshontsha. Ukuze atshontshe-ke ngoba vele bekafuna. It has nothing to do with Mihlali. So it seems like back then Mihlali lied about the guy, but right now it seems like they are dating. And one thing I like about Mihlali is that she will prove you wrong. Mihlali is that type of person who say, when you drag me, I'm about to drag you. I don't mind going down. I don't mind ukuthi nje isidima sami sithini, ama-brands athini. Mihlali is that girl. She's like, not with me, child. You're not gonna say something and then I keep quiet. But she fights classy. Mihlali nje wavuka wathi wena back in bags wasibeka lapha. Wathula wathi du wavale umlomo. And apparently those bags are worth 1.2 meter. Imagine, simple bag, 1.2 meter maziyi-2. Hayibo, abantwana baneyimali ngaphandle. Hayibo, thina siyadlala. Wavele waposta wathi, back in what? Back in who? Usibani onganayo ini? What you mean? Mihlali was like, oh, please take me serious. Wavele wabeka amabhegi wathula wathi tu. Azange njalo kabhizi ayenza ama-video explaining herself. No. She's like, money doesn't talk. Money is not loud. Money is quiet. Yabo. Money shows itself. You can see, you can smell it, you can see it. That's Mihlali for you.